So to create a contact section, what we need to add is another strip. So we can add it from here. Let's see what suits our website best. So I think this will be good. We will customize it. So let's drag it. As you can see, here is a social bar and these things. So contact form is loading now. Yeah, it's over here. So before customizing it, let's add another anchor from menu. Let's change it to contact us. Now let's go to over here, manage pages, add another section that is contact us. Done. Contact us. As you can see, we have done it. Now let's close it. Now let's customize this section. So let's first customize this background. It's okay, I think. Well, let's change again because so that it look different. Now both color are mixing over here. Yeah, from color palette we will change it. Yeah, it's good. It's good looking. Let's select again. Yeah, and let's click add. Don't forget to click add. Now let's close it. Guys, as you can see, I don't want this social bar, so let's remove it, delete. And now let's customize this section. Change column background, image, unsplash. Let's search office. Let's see what we see in this section. As you can see, we have got these pictures. Well, we can use this. Change background. Yeah, it's looking good. Now what we can do is let's change column and click over here. Well, let it be. Now let's setting, use parallax over here, and the next thing is let's change its position, image position. Yeah, it's okay, so that text and image don't conflict with each other. Now let's change this color also. And this color too. Done. I think it's good. We can change the address also. It's up to you whether you want to put your address over here or not. It's completely up to you. Now let's see how it looks. So as you can see, parallax effect is looking beautiful over here. But I want this to go below this section. So let's go back to editor. minus, zoom out. Let's select this and click move down. Yeah, that's good. Now let's preview again. Suppose someone is clicking over here. Yeah, then they will redirect to this section. Now again go to editor. Now guys, we have to customize this section. So as you can see, these, when I have double click it, then I have got these option. So from when we click over here, then we will get this thing, all the detail of our contact form, who has contacted us and their details. Now over here one option is setting, and we can change the contact form name. So well, this is only visible to us, so let's change. And guys, from here you can also change these things. Click here. This is the same account from which I have created my Wix account, this account. And also we can add new contributor. Well, this means who sees our messages from the visitors and all those things. And from here we can invite someone else, and we can put their email and their rules. There are different rules. Now this is the message what people will get after filling this form. Let's change it. Yeah, as you can see, people will get this type of message. And these are the different options. And guys, we can edit these fields. As you can see, use the layout, design, we can customize it. From here we can change or add fields. Suppose we want phone number, then we can ask them. We can add address over here. Whatever information you want to collect from your visitors, you can add those. So I hope you have got the idea of this contact form.